Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting physical connections right. Plug the keyboard into USB or a Midi interface and power it on. Next, launch Cubase so the program can detect the device. Make sure drivers are installed and up to date. If your keyboard has local control, set it off when you plan to monitor or record through Cubase. This prevents doubled notes. Once connected, open Studio Setup and prepare to add the device. This is the first actionable step toward tracking Midi. Now configure Cubase to receive Midi. Go to Studio, then Studio Setup, and check Midi port setup to confirm Cubase sees the keyboard. Enable inputs if they are off. If you want Midi remote features, add your controller under Remote Devices and Map Transport or CCs. Create a new Midi or instrument track, choose the keyboard as input, and enable record monitoring so you hear sounds while playing. Once done, test with a virtual instrument to verify note, velocity, and sustain responses are correct. Finish by routing the Midi track to a VSD instrument. Set the Midi channel or use Omni so notes pass through. Record a brief take to confirm velocity, sustain, and controller data arrive as expected, and check for latency. If timing feels off, lower buffer size in audio device settings. If notes don't register, restart Cubase and the keyboard, try another USB port or cable, and reinstall drivers if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: switch local control on and off to isolate hardware versus software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.